Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to generate or create image using text by using AI. Before starting work, it's my request. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work and we are using CapCut so you can create or sign up account on it and then you see AI tool so click on it and then you see multiple option. Now you see 4 images so click on it. So we are going to generate image. Now you see text to image, generate images with text prompt. So click on it. Now you see text to image, aspect ratio. So you can select portrait, landscape, square, and then you see number of images. Now one style you see multiple option, and then you see advanced setting and scale. So we are going to add some word. Now you see enter word prompt. So we added this. So you can add according to requirement. And then you see custom. So you can select style. So it's up to you. And then click on generate. Now you see generated by using text in CapCut. So you can download it. If you want, you can generate similar. So it's up to you. So download. Now download done. Open it. Now you see. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.